Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a simple and updated guide on how to delete files on Telegram. Whether you're trying to free up space on your phone or just tidy up your chats, this quick process will help you do it in seconds. So, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. It doesn't matter if you're using Android or iPhone. The steps are nearly identical. Once the app is open, go to the chat that contains the file you want to delete. This can be any conversation, a private chat, a group, or even a channel that allows you to post or download files. Next, take a moment to find the specific file. This could be a photo, a video, a document, or even an audio file. When you found it, tap and hold your finger on the file. You'll see a few options pop up on your screen. Now, look at the icons at the top of your Telegram screen. Among them, you'll notice a small trash can or delete symbol. Go ahead and tap on that icon. Telegram will then ask if you want to delete the file. This step is just to double-check that you really want to remove it, since once it's gone, it can't be recovered from the chat. When the confirmation message appears, tap on delete to finish the process. The file will instantly disappear from your chat, keeping your messages clean and your storage a little lighter. If you want to go one step further, you can also clear your entire chat history or delete all media from a conversation in Telegram settings. This can be especially helpful if you're running low on space or you just want a fresh start. And that's it. You've successfully deleted files on Telegram. Remember, keeping your chats organized not only saves storage, but also makes it easier to find what matters most. If this guide was helpful, consider checking out some of our other quick tutorials to help you get the most out of your favorite apps.